Here's how you can add the music player widget on the home screen of your Galaxy A55 smartphone. And this is going to be convenient for those of us who like to use our Samsung player or any other music player app and just have it ready on the home screen. When you're ready to add this widget, simply long press a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you will see all the widgets appear to the bottom right there. This option here will give you all the widgets that is already pre-installed on your home screen or on your Samsung phone. So once you're here now, you will go into the part that says music. So you're gonna look for the music player, or if you installed another music player app from the Play Store, look for the music player icon and then you'll tap on it. They should have its own dedicated widget for your phone. Now, once you reach here for the Samsung itself, there's two sizes here. You can select one of them, add. It's gonna appear like this here on your home screen. You'll notice there's these little panels there on the side that you can pull on. And when you long press it to get it, you can pull it like this here, but it can't get any smaller than that, okay? So once you have it like that here, you can also long press it to move it around. And also, if you come back to it to long press, you'll see the option that says settings. The settings will give you access to different color layouts. So for example, if you want it to be in the black color mode here, you can do that and you'll save it and it's gonna match your wallpaper a whole lot better than it was before, if that's what you were looking for. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.